Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. I'm back. Took a shower, sweat my ass off. Either way, hold up. Let me make sure. Let me hit you with the notion of what's going on here. And nope. Where are we? There we go. We're at 51 miles. We'll see how this goes. I should be in here cleaning up the shop, but I think we need to go do something a little bit more entertaining than cleaning up the shop. So I think we are going to take a little venture over to the tuners. Victory Motorsport. Just being in the shop is just gonna demand you sweating. So we're going over to the tuner shop, and we're gonna check out what they got going on over there.
Started 5 better earlier.
With the other manufacturer?
No, it was on this box engine, but it was starting better.
Just to make sure everybody gets clear.
All the parts that you can.
Go.
Basically, what he did was he put it together and he just kind of put the engine and the transmission in, and that was it. Because he doesn't work on JZ's, so then he brought it to us to finish everything for him.
Look at this. Somebody done shipped in a wagon. I think these are like style knives. I don't remember what they are, but people like these wheels.
Yeah.
I don't particularly find them very fun.
And he just had the paint corrected too.
So he has one of those beautifully expensive detailing done to it.
Yeah, and the guy did a really good job. It looked a lot better when he got here, but since it's been outside, it's a little bit.
Things I can tell you. Pay the detailer to do it. Hey, it's from Germany.
Yep.
They got the 4 emission on there. Really? Who would have thought? I would have never thought it was re-rating at a 4. I spent a lot of time in Germany. Chasing ass. If I'm gonna be frank. Oh snap. Some beautiful wheels. Is it locked? I've never really been in one of these. Which is funny because I was in Germany, they were always around, but see, this is clean. Oh, son of a bitch. That heat that slapped the shit out. It's clean, man. This is real clean.
It's like all the parts that are normally not in good condition, and as far as
is in here.
It's in there, and it's in good condition. Even the seats.
Yeah, the seats are in surprisingly decent shape, even though they're not like mint. It looks like somebody actually drove this car. I'm assuming that he put like another transmission in here from the Bmw.
I think he did, but I don't remember what he told me.
Okay.
I don't remember.
I want one of these, but I don't really know what I want it for. It'd be a great family car. It's clean though. Look at this. Man, oh man. Oh. Well, y'all not used to when somebody hits you with the and wind the window down. This is what it is. I know some of y'all are young. I was about to say, like, why is there so much space in here? There's no intake.
Yeah, exactly. He wants to do a fender exit exhaust.
A fender exit exhaust.
Yep.
That sounds like that's going to be irritating. Is it going to be a track car?
No, it's going to be a street car. I mean,
that's the new Chase Bay.
I don't really want to do
delete.
it because, you know, this is not really a car that you see very often over here.
This is not this isn't a very local vehicle, so I wouldn't advise you cutting a hole.
But I told him that, but he was like, look, he's like, I saw your pie cuts, I want you to do pie cuts, and I want you to put a teardrop exhaust right out the fender right here. I was like, all right, I'll do it. If that's what you want to pay for it, you'll get it. But
Brian is the man, by the way.
Just know that I don't want to do it.
This is not, I wouldn't cut this up. Issues that I see offhand. What is he doing with the, he's gonna have to do something for the, that's not gonna cool it.
I know. He knows that. He was like, I already know this is probably not gonna cool it, but just let me know what it needs.
Alright, that's what's up.
He just left it in there anyways because he didn't know what it needed.
That's what's up. Yo, this is... Yo, look at these things. I don't see these. Oh, look at this. It's the Chase Bay thing with the actual... I see he got shafted on this too. They have a prettier presentation for this that makes it look similar to this, but you can never speak with somebody who's competent there to get this part.
Yep.
But I like this. Is this a 2J or 1?
1J.
1?
Yep.
Non-VVTi. That gives you a little bit more space in the front. You got the lift. Heater things are still here.
As far as I'm aware, he's not going to be running any heat.
Stock location for the oil filter. The oil filter on the oil filter is a little bit back on this one as opposed to mine.
Right.
Okay.
It's because it's 1J. The 1J oil filter housings are a little bit different.
Okay, fair enough.
Really close to the same, but just a little bit different.
It's a little bit off.
Yep.
This is like you see it. That's for Reed Engineering mounts. I can see those. It's either that or some knockoffs. Poly bushings for the stand. Yeah, this is a beautifully. There's no rust in here like that. And
He had some under the bar. But I mean, as expected though.
Yo, this car is too. Who's the owner? We need to talk to him. So you gonna do what? No, you can't do that. So we're gonna have a committee. I know you're not allowed to do that. I don't give a fuck what you think.
He works at the Eurofed in Stoneville.
I have no idea where that is, but I can already see the M3 brake upgrade. Is either that or the E46? It looks kind of close.
It's one of those. I don't remember what rear end he put in here either, but he put something in here.
Give me a moment. This is the perks of not caring half the time. We're going to find out. Alright, people, don't mind the noise. Of course the tag is missing. Medium case diff, Bilstein shocks. Those are the upgraded springs to lower it. It's not bad. I don't see any adapters on the rear here, so need to figure that out. Looks like there's a new fuel pan under there, and you can see that big ass sway bar all the way up front. Tomorrow, the gentleman, yeah, putting it in the shop tomorrow?
Hopefully by the end of the day today or beginning of tomorrow, it'll be at the shop.
Alright, when you get in the shop, I'll be back. You have to look underneath it. And you see, like, the prettiness of it. It's so clean and organized in here.
I know.
It's just so, this is gorgeous. It's just like, when you get ready to replace all of these things, they're gonna cost a fucking fortune. Look at it this way. This is $400.
Oh, he knows it too.
This is $400. It's just like, oh yeah, would you like the OEM joint? $400. But this is what's up. This is clean, man. I figured if on the next venture when I do one of these again, I'll use a BMW transmission.
Yeah, that's what he's using. Like I said, I just can't remember which one he's using.
This is a very clean. Where's the way? Who made this manifold?
That's a drift motion manifold.
Really?
Yeah.
I have one of these. They don't have a support for his.
Well, see,
it's a different one?
a little bit. So when he first ordered the manifold,
Yeah.
Aaron at drift motion did what he usually does, and
Alright. Yep. So he added to that?
Yep.
All right. Okay. Say less, my friend. Say less.
I think he has 2 different manifolds on his website, and this is the better one that has the reinforcements. The fitment's better. Everything's just better about it.
It is either this engine is smaller, or there's way more clearance, because mine doesn't really. And these look thinner. I don't know. I might need to go back and go reference mine. But this is a gorgeous car, and I'll be here to check out as you guys progress and do things on it.
It'll look a lot better once we get the turbo.
Oh yeah, the car looks good now. I can already put it together in my mind. I don't need it.
I can too. The intake manifold is going to be the same colors as valve covers.
Ah, is it going to be one of those aftermarket things where it's on the side?
The intake manifold?
Yeah. It's not stock?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hell no, I did not know that.
No.
I like it that much more.
Alright. What's that? Garagistic said I need to change the offset of my wheels or put a 5mm spacer on it. But other than that, we're going to film more stuff. We'll get back to you gentlemen tomorrow. Peace.